Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will talk about how to integrate a simple CAPTCHA validation system, CAPTCHA solving inside React.js. So there is a specific package which is available, so which will show this CAPTCHA to the user. So if you want to implement this, so you have seen this in many websites. So we have this button to reload the CAPTCHA. So new challenges will come to the user to solve. So they need to enter the characters which is mentioned inside this. So they can enter the characters. So if they enter the correct characters, then in that case you will validate it when they click on the submit button, and you will see that CAPTCHA matched. So if they write invalid characters, you will see that CAPTCHA does not match. So it's a fully fleshed validation mechanism where you can integrate the CAPTCHA inside your React.js application. So the package name is very simple. Just go to npmjs.com and just search for this package, react-simple-captcha. This is actually the package. I have already installed it, so it is almost got 7,000 weekly downloads. So I will show you a very basic example. So just make a simple functional component, and we just need to import this component. So it contains three methods. First is your load captcha, this one, engine, and the second one is load canvas template, and the third one is validate captcha. So these are the three methods which are available in this module, which is coming from React Simple Captcha. So it's just a 127 kilobytes package, and it has three methods for loading the canvas, for validating the captcha, and loading the captcha. So now I will actually make an application and declare a state variable just to keep track of which captcha is whatever the captcha submitted by the user. So we will have a variable for this. So the initial value will be nothing. So use state will be nothing, and I will be rendering the captcha whenever user renders the application. So this use effect hook will be executed. This will also be coming from React.js. So here we'll be calling this function load captcha, and we'll be passing this 6. It means that we have wanted to create a captcha of 6 characters. You can just see. So now we need to render the captcha. So now for rendering the captcha, you come to the JSX, and now to render this challenge captcha, you first of all, let me just provide a padding of 20 pixel and a maximum width of 400 pixel and a margin of auto. And inside this we will actually have a h3 which will say react simple captcha example, and we will now be rendering this captcha. For rendering it, we will be calling this function, this component load canvas template. So now if you see, a captcha will be created. You will see that the captcha is created, and we have this button reload captcha to reload the captcha. So every time if random characters will be displayed, a new challenge will be displayed when you click the button. So now we just need a simple input field where the user can submit the captcha. So inside this we will have an input field. Input type will be of text, and placeholder will be simply be saying enter captcha, and the value here will be of captcha value. So we just be giving a style margin of 10 pixel 0. So we have this input field where the user will enter the captcha, and then when the user enters something on this, we will be binding an onChange event handler. So inside this e parameter will be executed, and we'll be calling this hook function set captcha value. So whatever is the value entered by the user, we can get easily by using e.target.value. So we are just using this hook function and just calling it. So after you do this, we just need a simple button to submit the form. So for submitting it, we will have this button. So this button will be submit. So when we click, so button type will be submit. So when we click on the button, so we will simply bind an on-click event handler. So on click, so when we click the button, we will execute this function handle submit. So now we come to the actual function here. We will define this function handle submit. So e parameter will get executed. So here we have this button. So now we will simply compare. So whatever is the validate captcha entered by the user, if it matches the captcha value, in that case we will simply say that captcha matched, and then we'll be resetting this captcha to nothing and load a new captcha. So again call the, and in the else block we can say that captcha doesn't match. So for validating it, we have this function validate captcha. We are passing it, and we are passing the value which the user has submitted. So now if you see, if the user enters the correct captcha, click on the submit button, you will see captcha matched. But if they enter a wrong value, captcha doesn't match. So it's a fully fledged captcha we have integrated in React.js using this module, react-simple-captcha. So thank you very much for watching this video, and do check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image. And I will be seeing you in the next video.